How to enable or disable proxy mode in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and make sure your media is already imported into the timeline. Now, go to the top menu and click on Playback. In the drop-down menu, you will see an option called Proxy Handling. In this, you will see three options: Disable All Proxies, Prefer Proxies, and Prefer Camera Originals. If you want to disable proxy mode, simply click on Disable All Proxies. If you want to enable proxy playback using generated proxy files, select Prefer Proxies. If you prefer to disable proxies and use original camera files instead, click on Prefer Camera Originals. Now, go to the project settings in the bottom right corner and under the Master Settings tab, you will see a section for Optimized Media and Render Cache. Just below that, you will find the option for Proxy Media Resolution. From here, choose your preferred resolution, but the best options are half resolution and quarter resolution. These reduce the quality of your preview, which helps with smoother playback, especially if you are working with high resolution footage or slower computer. Keep in mind, proxy mode only affects how your footage looks while you are editing. It won't change the final export quality of your video, so feel free to switch it on and off as needed based on your system's performance. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable proxy mode in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.